Standard 9, Subject English, Unit 2, 2.1, Poem Invictus, that means Unconquerable, written by William Ernest Henley. Born on 23rd August 1849 to 11th July 1903. He was a British poet, writer, critic and editor. He wrote several books of poems. He is remembered most often in his 1875 poem Invictus. In this poem, the poet says that he had suffered a tubercular infection that resulted in amputation of a leg below the knee. The powerful poem was written shortly after this incident. It is all about showing courage in the face of death and of the will to survive with dignity in the face of severe hardships. So let's start with these lines. Out of the night that covers me, black as a pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. Here the poet says that the hardships that surround him are as black as the center of the earth. He thanks whatever gods that may be there for his unconquerable soul. Now we go to the next lines. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bulldongings of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. It means, he says that though he was a victim of a wicked circumstances, he had neither reacted with pain nor cried aloud. Though he was suffering under the violent beatings of fate, his head is bloody but unbowed. So here the next lines is, beyond this place of wrath and tears looms but the horror of shade, and yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. Here it means that beyond this world of anger and sadness in which we live, there exists a dark unknown which may hold more hardships for the soul. Yet he says, even the truth of what may happen later does not make him afraid. So we go to the last lines. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul. Here it means it doesn't matter how narrow or difficult the gate to heaven is, or how many more punishments are written on the official roll of paper. The poet says that utter confidence, that is, he is a master of his own fate and the captain of his soul. He has the sole authority of his own life. So every person needs to be very fearless and courageous so that he can have a bright future even in the negative part of life. Thank you.